Yeah, I'm going 2 miles an hour with my trailer and it's full to bursting. Hey, hello there, there's 150 of us on this channel and that's the population of the little village I live in. So thank you for following me in this long-term project which will take me between 3 and 4 years. You'll just have to be patient. Today we smashed all the walls. It's so beautiful, it's so spacious, it's magical. We had so much fun doing it. Careful, don't do the same thing at home. We're complete idiots. Careful. It usually makes a lot of dust when you attack the ceiling, so it sounds weird too.
There are nails everywhere.
Now we're starting to have fun. Well, I don't have to spell it out for you. Everything off the balcony and into the trailer. That's easy. Today, I need to take down the chimney to move this frame structure around a bit. So the first trick is to find access to the roof. It's up there. Well, I admit I've already done most of the work, but I forgot to film.
It's physical.
It's all right.
It's going perfectly. Incidentally, I'd like to take this opportunity to answer a question I was asked on the first video about costing purchases and labor. At the moment on this episode, I'm about 6 days into the destruction of the framework, and it hasn't cost me much. The sledgehammer cost about 30 euros, a construction waste garbage can cost 10 or 15 euros. I was lent the trailer. Now, if you're on a scooter and you don't have a license and you're trying to do this kind of thing, it's gonna be a lot more complicated anyway.
Hey.
Always work with music, a little Sex Pistols there. So there are beams everywhere, it's quite cluttered, but I managed to move this big beam that was stuck against the wall so I could knock that wall down, and after the masonry with big formworks and make large bay windows in the attic. All that's left now is to reassemble the structure to support the framework before knocking down the wall, hoping that Solan Dejouy will come and give me a hand to knock down the wall, because at the moment it's a bit of a nightmare on my own. I think I managed to knock down a beam. It was coming through the window and almost landed 10 meters away, so be careful with that kind of framework. After that I put a rope on and it went much better. The ideal is to have a blade that goes through the wall twice. So in this case it's a 15-meter wall and I've got a blade depth of 7. So this practically goes through the aglos. That's already a lot of material. You have to be careful with the torque because it has a lot of force when it starts up. And it makes an incredible noise and a lot of dust. So it's not too bad a job. And it'll give you a normally decent finish. Solan, the savior has arrived, because when you're working, 2 is always better. No, but there's no point in looking outside. The saw blade doesn't go on the other side of the wall. You've got to know how to have fun.
Now come on, players.
Come on, we've got a wall to smash.
Intruder, hello, help. Go ahead, Pat. You work in security? Yeah, all the way. Oh, that's right, we put a mattress down there in case he falls. Yeah, little by little, but they weren't pastry wheels before. Tool change. I'm going to start playing with my balls. Ah, you'll be careful, your carabiner, it works the wrong way. It's starting to get a bit messy with the fasteners. It's starting to fall apart, this thing. We'll try not to fall anyway. We're trying to be funny, but it could be very funny. If you find yourself down on the mattress, foot catch.
Confidence.
That's it, it's moving. Here, talk, it's moving. Oh yeah, it's scary for sure when it starts moving a little like that. Did you see the fear in Solan's eyes? I don't trust her. I don't trust it. A little rip here. Little look here, I'm still tied up, but I'm done tied up. At arm's length, the 7-kilo mass. The kid's tough. It's gonna be a nice view after this. He's playing. Oh yes, a magnificent forehand from Pete Sambra. In full demonstration into the void. I'm at arm's length now, I can't take it anymore. Yeah, well, you're normal. Hey, come on, we can have fun clearing away the rubble too. That's it, I've done everything. Thank you for watching this video. It's so hot. If you like the concept, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Because that way, we'll be at 200 maybe soon. I can't believe it.